Oh, what an adventure! Get lost with Google Maps. Good afternoon, everybody. Chris here from Just In Case Solar Power and Bush Camping. It's a beautiful day. Let's have a look at the electrical today. We're going to talk electrical today. Now first we're going to talk the AC side, and then we're going to have a look at the three parts of the DC side. Okay, the AC side here consists of, this is the power in. It's got the power in there like that. Okay, it's got a RCD, an old type double pole, and then we've got the power in 15 amp Australian plug or socket, and then from there we go to the automatic changeover switch. Now that's a very nice automatic changeover switch. So what will happen there is, as soon as I plug into mains power or something to top the batteries up while we're at home, that will just automatically switch back to the mains, and when I unplug it, it will automatically switch back to the battery, to the inverter. Coming off that is 3 circuits. Okay, so we've got a set of 4 double pole GPOs for in the storage area, and then we've got another set of the same 4 double pole GPOs for in the bedroom area, and then we've got a single waterproof GPO for outside. GPO just means power point, people. Okay, so that's a total of 3 circuits coming off there, and under the new regulations, each circuit requires its own double pole RCBO of type A. Okay, and I've got 3 Clipsal RCBOs down there, C16, 30 milliamp type A's. Okay, so one of those will go to each circuit, 1, 2, 3, and it's up to the electrician to install that system and give me a ticket or a sticker or whatever I need for the overall AC wiring in the slide on or jack off camper. Okay, so that's a look at the AC system that's going in. AC, of course, meaning grid power or generator power, because I can also plug a generator into this as well. Okay, next is a look at the DC system. Okay, the DC system consists, as the power, a 24 volt 200 amp hour or 5,200 watt 24 volt green bank battery, prototype, specially built for campers and caravans and that sort of stuff. We're going to be putting it through its paces when we eventually finish the build and head off. And around this corner here, I'm still missing a couple of bits, but then we have a 2000 watt inverter across the circuit breakers. Then we have the solar part of the system, where this goes up on the roof. We have a MPT 100 volt 300 amp smart charge controller. We have input output circuit breakers for that. Now everything 24 volt gets connected to this bus bar, fused bus bar. Okay, then we come across, and what's missing here is a 24 volt to 12 volt DC power supply plus charger all in one. Basically it keeps the batteries at an appropriate level. That will power this bus bar. And on this bus bar, I've got a diagram here that I will include in the video. So on that bus bar, that will, through these two circuit breakers that I'm actually using as on-off switches, okay, I'm actually going to be running one to the car and one out the back to the camper through 50 amp Anderson plugs, genuine of course. So that will keep the car topped up and the trailer topped up. If I don't need any of them topped up, just say I don't have the trailer on, I'd simply turn the trailer off. If I don't have the car on, well, I've always got the car on, but if the camper comes off the back of the car and he's on a stands, then the car output gets turned off as well. Now the third system, of course, is the water pump and the water filtration system, and that's also on the 12 volt side. So that is the third part. So the 24 volt is the first part. Then we've got the 12 volt, including the step down, and then we've got the water filtration system. And I will include that document. And if you haven't seen the video on the slide-on camper that we've just finished building, I would recommend the video before this one to have a look at. Alright, that's it everyone. I hope you're having a gorgeous day night like we are here. I'm getting a bit sick of the rain. Our house off-grid system has gone brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. It's working flawlessly. Alright, so that's it. Once I put in the diagram, you should be able to understand what it's all about, and I'll catch you in the next video. If you're not subscribed, please think about subscribing and please comment. Cheers for now. Bye bye.